Looking out at Table Mountain, of course you know where I am. I am in Cape Town. I am in the presidential suite of One&Only Cape Town. Look, it's got seawater canals right outside and that magnificent view from the entire suite. I'm going to take us quickly round the suite and you can see how beautifully designed it is. You know it's Africa, but you also know that it's part of the world. And you know it's a little bit idiosyncratic too. The landscaping, for instance, was Bill Bensley, and we know he's always out of the norm. So I'm looking forward to discovering what kind of things he has put into the grounds of this gorgeous resort. It's now over a decade old, which is quite amazing because when it was first opened, it was so far ahead of its time, but it still remains different. There's nothing quite like it. Look at the art. Hendrix, drunken botanist among the books. Super kitchen. Very spacious, very big, and lovely bedroom. What I got looks like a kind of mat as well as a drinking flask. Espar bits and pieces. Office. Some chinoiserie art. That's what I mean about idiosyncrasy. And here we've got two fans made out of, well, I don't know what, and I haven't got my glasses on. One's made out of postage stamps. And enough wardrobes for an entire fashion shoot. Look, I've got a gym, a ball, weights. I think they've got the weights that I want, and a bicycle. I'm going to be well away. And the bathroom. Well, one of these must be a toilet one side. I shall investigate. And a bathtub. And I'm told that there is nothing nicer than being in the bathtub and having a little drink of something and looking out at Table Mountain and looking down at the waterways.